Alright guys and gals, I told you I got them game cameras. They're stealth cam. They're I don't know, they seem pretty decent. I've never used a game cam before, so hopefully this will do some good. Guess they got some pretty cool things about them. So Leanne got them all set up. All I had to do is put them up. So I'm gonna go stash this one where the little shits can't see him. And hopefully we'll catch them in the act and put an end to all this stuff. So, alright. Got the second game camera up. Hopefully in an inconspicuous place where they can't see it. If they see the other one and steal it, I got this one they can't reach. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. So, alright, get back to you. Have a good day. Morning, guys and gals. In yesterday's video, I showed that some kids, I said that kids broke our gate. Well, I come to find out from the neighbors, there's been some kids harassing our dogs through our gate. So today I put up a game camera. See if we can catch these guys in the act. I'm not going to show you where because I kind of want to keep it hidden. But hopefully we catch these little shits. Because can't have people harassing our dogs. That just, kids today, they're just, it ain't right. It ain't right. It actually makes me sad because, the gate, yeah, it costs money. It was $225 for that Mighty Mule. So now I gotta fix that or replace it because these little shits don't think it's no big deal. They're just having a good time. Well, mess with the wrong people. Gonna dance, you gotta pay the fiddler. Alright, that's just a short note for today. My new running boards came in. I'm gonna go down to the post office and get those. And do maybe I'll probably do a video on putting those in. So get rid of that rattling noise I had from bending them up during deer hunting this year. So, alright, I'll get back to you. I gotta run to the post office and I'm gonna hide this other game camera. I got two of them. I'll show you a picture of the other one before I put it up. So, alright, I'll get back to you. Alright, guys and gals. I'm gonna try to plastic weld this gate opener. Leanne had already used the Gorilla Glue on it. Well, I'm gonna try something different. Saw this on YouTube a while back. A guy welding plastic with melting stuff into the plastic, making the plastic melt together. So we're gonna see if we can weld this gate opener. Use this ABS glue to help bond it together. I did this on my septic tank in the Redneck RV. It's kind of cold. The propane's not wanting to work right. So first, what I'm gonna do is dang, I'm gonna tell you. That glue dried pretty good on there. So anyway, I've done this before on my Redneck RV. We'll see what it does on this. I'm going to spread all this on there, and then we're going to heat it up. Alright, let's turn it over. Turn it over, see what we got. Yeah, looks like it's adhering pretty good. So I'll glue this up some more on this side. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I did see this on a YouTube video. A guy welded plastic with it, and I kind of discovered using this ABS glue on my own, because I couldn't keep the Mountain Dew cap in there. But I think I'm going to melt that in there too. Yeah, you can see the plastic bubbling. I think it's going to take. Yeah, I got to at least try this, because this gate opener is $225. You know, it's the Mighty Mule 260, and gotta at least give it a whirl. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can melt this cap in there. Yeah, I got it bubbling pretty good, so. Alright, well, let this dry and let it sit for probably the rest of the day, and we'll see if it works. Alright, hope you learned something cool from this video. Give it a try. It does work. It worked on my septic tank. It dried up hard as a rock. So, alright, God bless. I'll talk to you later. Support your troops. Thanks for watching Doing Redneck Things with Tony and Leanne. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Guys, our friends are back. They're here almost every day. You guys probably like like getting pictures of them. So we'll get a picture of them. There's the Mustangs. They hang out here every day after they eat up Tanya's hay. So hope you enjoy seeing them horses every day. All right, God bless. Get back to you. Telling you the other day I got them little lights. It's a LED motion sensor light. It hooks to that solar panel. Works pretty good. It lights this whole area up here. We got the solar panel for the one above the door. And I got one of those on the gate. So getting this place lit up a little bit. All right, talk to you later. All right, here we are. Gonna fix the gate. Had to get some more tools. Leanne's gonna go check the mail, so. No. Oh, hey. Leanne got a bungee cord on the gate. How these holes out, we gotta put a little bigger bolt in them. So we're seeing what we can do. Now I gotta figure out where these go again. So that's there. That one. Try this at home, guys. I don't think that's gonna go through. I might need that bit I said I didn't need. Alright, I gotta go get a drill bit. Alright, Leanne's off to the house to get the drill bit I said I didn't need. Hey, you wanna let the squirrel out so she can come play. Yeah, Tootsie likes to ride in the Arctic Cat. Alright, we'll get back to you in a minute. What do you think, guys? There's our little homestead. I had a 35-foot fifth wheel. Got my dad's fifth wheel that doesn't have a title on it, and our redneck RV that we're building. See our solar tracker and the generator, our propane tanks. This is where we've been living for the last year, totally off the grid. Hope you're liking this. Okay, Leanne found that drill bit, so we'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, we got to that point and had the wrong wrench. They're 3/4 inch, not 5/8 was the biggest one I had with. So, with some modifications, they're fitting pretty good. I took that chunk of unit strut and I made a wooden platform to give it a little more stability. And on an earlier video, we had to add this piece of pipe because our son thought we had a gate you could just push on, and he pushed on it and drove through, and that time it just bent this piece, but we had to replace part of the gate. So you see we had some multiple tries and measuring, and I used to have it up here, but the gate was struggling to open. So we're getting there. We'll get it back running today, hopefully, and hopefully that high dollar fancy welding job I did on that will work. So go get it. Go get the pink one. Go find it. Go find it. Where is it, Neil? Go find it. Find the pink one. I don't have it. You got to go find it. Go find it. Go get it. It's up by the house. It's up by the house. Go up there. It's up there. It's up there. Go get it. Yeah, Dozer, he's just a thief. Neela's gonna score. And she scores! The takeaway is complete. Good girl. Alright, Dozer. Hey. Hey, you guys are crazy. Boy, Camel, you got yours about all ate up. Tootsie, she just wants to bark at people. Silver, she's not sure what's going on. So, alright, let me have it. Yuck. You guys are crazy. You got. Hey, quit barking. Yeah, they love to play ball. Hey, Silver. I'm just chasing. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, here comes the boss. Better get back to work. Well, we gave it a valiant effort. As soon as we put the front pin in, it snapped off, so we have to come up with something different. Show them. Yeah.
Snapped off again. Where's my screwdriver?
In my hand. So that's what we're dealing with. Looks like I got it melted good. Just didn't.
Oh, turn off. That was good.
Just didn't hold. So, right, back to the drawing board. We have to come up with something different. This thing's $225 to replace. So, I don't know. Figure something out. I was thinking about maybe drilling some holes in there and putting nails in it, but I don't know. The glue didn't hold. It melted good, but it didn't. It's composite, so I guess we'll get back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. See what we can come up with. Stay to your left. Go to your left. Go to your left. Somebody parked the truck too close, huh?
Am I getting it on that side?
Just go. There you go. So,
Enjoying themselves.
yeah, the wild horses are back again.
They're all relaxed in the shade.
Enjoy seeing them every day, but we do. We're gonna see if we can redneck engineer this piece. So, you guys got any ideas? Comments are welcome. All right, God bless. All right, good news, guys and gals. I just got off the phone with the Mighty Mule manufacturer, and hold on a second. And they have a replacement part for that. So I'm getting the boss here to undo this. We're going to take this Mighty Mule apart. So that's really good news. The part was $39.94. That's with shipping and tax and everything. So that's going to save us a couple $100, huh, honey?
Yeah, having to replace the damn whole thing.
Yeah. So when I had to work, we're going to just she said that it'll ship out tomorrow. So we'll get the part probably, what's tomorrow, Friday? Probably get the part Monday or Tuesday. So, but the guy, I talked to the tech, and he said you take this cover off, and there's 4 bolts that hold this thing in, and that's a replacement part. And the replacement part number is R4514. So any of you guys that have this Mighty Mule 260 and you break this thing, have kids break this thing, you can you can order the part directly from the manufacturer. The people were really nice. To myself. All right. Anyway. All right, guys and gals, we're back at this. Leanne's taking this thing apart. I just got off the phone with the company, as I said. So they're really courteous people. I highly recommend, if you have their Mighty Mule gate, you contact them if you have any parts trouble with it. I guess they have the electronics parts, the arm parts, all kinds of stuff that's really cool. Leanne's working on this, getting this cover off. When we get the cover off, I'll show you what it looks like inside. So hang in there with us. I bought her a zip gun and she still uses caveman tools.
On plastic, I don't really recommend it.
Caveman, knock her in the head with a club and drag her around by her hair, huh?
Yeah, that's alright, but the plastic, I don't.
You're taking them off, that's different. If you're tightening, yeah, I agree with you. Because,
Does it screw off?
look at that, it screws off. So we're doing the Mighty Mule.
I have no idea what I'm doing,
Leanne's just winging it.
but we'll figure it out.
So we're taking this off to see what happens. Do you get all the screws out? I'm sure you did.
No, I got two,
Let's get two left.
yeah, but I need to take this out, so I need a pair of pliers
Use your screwdriver.
to squeeze it, to pull it out.
It's rubber, honey.
Plastic.
Alright, I'll go over here and find her a pliers. The dogs are all being lazy. There's a squirrel. Look at that, that squirrel. She's eating, aren't you, squirrel? Squirrel, squirrel. Hello, squirrel. Hi, squirrel. Alright, what happened?
Let me get this off.
She's trying to figure out how to get this thing off.
I think this thing pushes.
Yeah, you just push that thing, looks like, huh?
Well, let's see.
It's coming out. Dr. Leanne doing surgery on the Mighty Mule. Alright, let's see what we got. So we can crack that baby open. You're gonna have to cut the plastic.
The tape.
Yeah. I think it's pretty cool that they have a... I've never really done that. I've just thrown stuff away and bought a new one, but this thing's 225 bucks. So. You need to slide that.
Slide.
Okay, looks like this side's got to come off too. Look at that. That's the insides of our Mighty Mule gate thing. He said you take these 4 bolts off. It's got 4 bolts on the end. They would take off, and this is the part they're going to send us in the mail. So that's pretty cool. And meanwhile, I know my wife. She's gonna try to fix this part. Right? The blonde lady gonna fix this. So I hope you're enjoying this video. We're kind of rednecking this thing. You know, see, we tried. It's pretty interesting, simple design. It's a little electric motor that goes to a gearbox that turns that motor, and that screws in and out. That's pretty handy dandy. So there's Neela. She wants to say hi. Can't leave my side too much, huh? She wants to play. Go find the pink one. Go find the pink one. Oh, you got the blue one? She got the blue one. Alright. So anyway, I'm going to end this part right now, and we'll finish taking this apart, and I'll get in and edit this video and get it posted, so, and get you guys that 800 number that I called. So, what'd you lose?
Nothing. I just don't want to make. I still want a lot of electrical stuff in there.
I think everything's sealed, it's contained in here and here. That's just polarity change wires that makes it go back and forth to screw in and out.
I know that sucker's out of there.
You got pressure on it. It's got weight on it. So. Guys, look at you guys. Look at you guys. You're pesty dogs. I love them. That's Tootsie. Look at her. Close up Tootsie. Just close up of Tootsie. And then Neela. And then Silver and Dozer. He's wanting to play. I don't know where Squirrel went. I don't know where they went. Huh? Get down. All right, get down, man. You guys get down. Back to the Mighty Mule surgeon, Leanne. She's our Mighty Mule surgeon today. Too bad she don't get doctor's pay, huh? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, there's a little circuit board in there, and
Yeah, that's what you got to be careful with.
yeah. But the guy told me to just take out those 4 bolts, and they'll send us this part, the whole thing, the replacement unit.
Yeah.
It's not really that sophisticated, I guess. So, I guess we'll wait till Monday and we'll get the part. We'll put all this away, put this in the house, and I'm thinking it's time to get something out to barbecue because it's 3 o'clock Nevada time. So, all right, thank you everybody. We're doing Redneck Things with Tony and Leanne Larson. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a pretty good learning experience. Sometimes the plastic weld doesn't work. We found that out. And I get the boss to say goodbye.
Bye, guys.
Like and subscribe to the channel. Support your troops. God bless. And we'll get back to you tomorrow. Have a good one. So I guess no, we're not done with the Mighty Mule. My wife has invented the Mighty Mule repair kit with a hose clamp and some gate clamps and a chunk of aluminum. So we're going to go hook this SOB up and see what the heck we can do with it.
Tired of opening the gate, getting out of the truck, so we'll see until we get the part.
So it's Dr. Leanne, the Mighty Mule surgeon. We'll see what... That's funny, I don't care who you are. That is some redneck shit, isn't it, honey?
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Alright, we're doing Redneck Things with Tony and Leanne Larson. My wife's putting this back together. We're gonna go see if it'll mount up on about at the gate. And I'll get back at you. I gotta scold some dogs. I want you to see this. Little Miss Surgeon, I don't use the drill gun to put them in plastic. You're putting them in plastic with the drill gun. But she's the Mighty Mule surgeon. Look at that.
Just gotta be careful.
Gotta love a wife that knows how to do stuff, huh? She's an awesome lady. So, all right, I'll get back to you when we get down to the gate. All right, here we are back at the gate. The Mighty Mule repair team is back. So let's see how Leanne's surgery went. All right, here we go. Mighty Mule gate tester.
Oh, do you have to take this off?
No,
Won't it put too much pressure on it?
we'll try it.
Opening and closing it? Okay, we're gonna have to tighten this then, I guess, when we go back.
Yeah, we gotta tighten these two bolts here.
Yeah.
So we'll tighten. Drill.
I was just thinking that it might not have enough length with it that far over.
You can lengthen the bar. I told you that.
Did you break that one
I
too?
did.
See the okay. So we got to get another one?
Yeah, you got them here.
Oh, that's right. I brought extra because I know how you are.
This is tighten too tight.
We'll have to undo the... Okay, we'll get right back to you in a minute. Okay.
So far, so good. It's working. Dr. Mighty Mule Leanne. That is making some noise. All right.
I think we need to tighten these bolts a little bit. Oh, we'll see.
The modified Mighty Mule gate opener.
When we get the new one, it should work, hopefully.
Yeah, they'll keep us going till the new one works. What do you think, Blind Lady?
Hopefully.
Yeah, I'm kind of liking that hairdo you got today.
Oh, I know. When you're a redneck, you don't have really enough time to do the hair thing going.
All right, that's a temporary repair.
I'm going to tighten this little cover.
Oh, I see what's making the noise.
Yeah, so now they'll do it and bigger. But it works.
It's working.
Alright, let me get a, what is that? What size is that?
I have no idea. Yeah, around there. Or a straight slot screwdriver. So, alright. I think the dogs are tired from all the running. Dozer, huh? Where'd the squirrel go? Where'd the squirrel? Squirrel! There she is. What's the squirrel doing? What's squirrel doing? Huh? What are you doing? What's Dozer doing? The Silver, she's lounging. Tootsie. Alright, say goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye, squirrel. Squirrel. Neela. Tootsie. Silver. Dozer. And the old man. Alright. Talk to you in a little bit. We're Gate opener repair is a success. We'll get that new part probably Monday or Tuesday. So we'll get back to you when we fix that. Tomorrow I gotta put on the new running boards. They came in the mail today. So we'll get them put on. I'll do a reveal. We'll open them up and show you what they look like. Alright, God bless. Support your troops. And I'll see you later.